Welcome to the ultimate showdown between the Xiaomi 15 Ultra and the iPhone 17 Pro. Today, we're dissecting two powerhouses packed with cutting-edge tech, from blistering display specs and powerhouse chipsets to groundbreaking camera systems and battery life. Which phone offers the best screen experience with their HDR and peak brightness? Who packs more punch under the hood with Snapdragon 8 Elite versus Apple's A19 Pro? And can Xiaomi's massive 6,000 mAh battery outlast the iPhone's more modest 4,252 mAh? Plus, with features like satellite communication and ultra-stabilized video, which device truly redefines innovation? Stick around as we answer these questions and more. But here's the kicker: does sheer hardware muscle trump Apple's refined ecosystem and unique features? Let's dive in. Starting with the display, Xiaomi 15 Ultra boasts a larger 6.73-inch LTPO AMOLED panel with an impressive 3200 nits peak brightness, making it a beast for outdoor visibility and HDR content. The iPhone 17 Pro, while smaller at 6.3 inches, offers a Super Retina XDR OLED with a peak brightness of 3000 nits and features Apple's Dynamic Island, a unique interactive area that enhances user experience beyond just display quality. Xiaomi's sheer brightness advantage makes it the go-to for dazzling visuals, but Apple's ecosystem integration with Dynamic Island adds a layer of usability that's hard to ignore. Under the hood, Xiaomi 15 Ultra runs on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite with an octa-core CPU clocking up to 4.32 GHz, paired with the Adreno 830 GPU. Meanwhile, iPhone 17 Pro sports Apple's A19 Pro chip, a hexa-core powerhouse with higher single-core speeds at 4.40 GHz and an advanced 6-core Neural Engine GPU. While Xiaomi offers more cores and raw multi-threaded power, Apple's chip excels in optimized performance and AI tasks, making it a balanced contender depending on your usage style. When it comes to standout features, Xiaomi 15 Ultra shines with its Xiaomi Hyper AI, Hyper OS 2, and a robust dual-channel liquid cooling system called Ice Loop, perfect for sustained heavy use and gaming. It also supports two-way satellite communication, a futuristic plus for connectivity in remote areas. The iPhone 17 Pro counters with an action button plus camera control, emergency SOS, and ultra-wideband UWB Gen 2 for precise spatial awareness. Its AI notes and assistant features, along with ultra-stabilized video, elevate user convenience and creative control. Both pack unique tools, but Xiaomi's cooling and satellite tech push it slightly ahead for power users. In cameras, Xiaomi 15 Ultra's main highlight is its staggering 200 MP periscope telephoto lens with 4.3x optical zoom, offering incredible detail and versatility for zoom shots. The iPhone 17 Pro counters with a balanced triple 48 MP setup featuring a 4x periscope telephoto lens and a LiDAR scanner for enhanced depth mapping and AR capabilities. Xiaomi's ultra-high-resolution periscope lens is a game-changer for photography enthusiasts craving extreme detail at distance. Diving deeper, Xiaomi's Leica lenses combined with laser AF and Dolby Vision video capture provide vibrant, authentic colors and smooth motion tracking, ideal for cinematic content creators. The iPhone 17 Pro impresses with 8x optical zoom, ProRes RAW video, and Smart HDR5, pushing professional-grade photography and videography to the next level. Xiaomi leans into legacy Leica quality, while Apple emphasizes versatile zoom and raw video capture for pros. Battery life is a clear win for Xiaomi 15 Ultra with its massive 6,000 mAh SiC Li-ion battery, promising extended usage and less frequent charging. The iPhone 17 Pro's 4,252 mAh battery is smaller but optimized for efficiency within Apple's tightly integrated ecosystem. For heavy users or gamers, Xiaomi's larger capacity offers undeniable endurance. In build quality, Xiaomi uses a glass front and back with eco-leather and an aluminum frame, giving it a premium yet unique feel. The iPhone 17 Pro sports a ceramic shield front and back with an aluminum alloy frame renowned for durability and scratch resistance. Apple's ceramic shield technology remains a top-tier choice for ruggedness and premium feel. Both phones carry IP68 water and dust resistance, but the iPhone 17 Pro impresses with immersion capability up to 6 meters for 30 minutes, compared to Xiaomi's 1.5 meters. Additionally, Apple's support for Apple Pay with major card certifications adds convenience and security. Xiaomi counters with aerospace-grade glass for structural integrity and advanced protection. Apple's deeper water resistance and payment ecosystem edge out here. Memory options are competitive, with Xiaomi offering up to 1 terabyte storage paired with up to 16 gigabytes RAM, while iPhone 17 Pro maxes out at 1 terabyte with 12 gigabytes RAM. Xiaomi's extra RAM could benefit multitasking and gaming, but Apple's memory management is highly efficient, balancing performance and battery life. Pricing reflects their flagship status. Xiaomi 15 Ultra starts around $1,200 plus, while the iPhone 17 Pro ranges from $1,099 to $1,500 depending on configuration. Xiaomi offers aggressive specs for the price, but Apple's premium pricing includes ecosystem benefits and brand prestige. Which one delivers better value? That's up for debate.